you guys, I'm Jasmine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like you guys can see, I'm wearing my Indian outfit. I'm wearing my earrings. तो आप लोग ने guess कर ही लिया होगा that today's makeup tutorial is getting ready for the festive season. I have tried to keep the base really minimal, very clean, very dewy. I have gone a little heavy with the eyes, but something that's very elegant and a makeup look that will go with all the outfits and all the colors that you're wearing. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and like I always say, let's jazz it up. So today's look is going to be for the festive season, but I don't want to make it too loud. I don't want to make it too gaudy. I just want to keep it like really minimal, yet something that makes a statement and something that has a shimmer, that has gold, but that will make you look like really elegant. So first things first, before I do my makeup, I really like to hydrate my face. Now you can literally hydrate your face with a face mist or your setting spray as well, so that your skincare is really absorbed by your skin and your makeup sits really well. Now for my skincare, I'm going to take my stippling brush and I'm going to take my moisturizer from Dot and Key. I really like this one. This is a drugstore product, expensive nahi hai. It's really nice, it's smooth, it nourishes your skin, and it doesn't make your skin feel rough or harsh. It's really nice. So as a moisturizer, before you start your makeup, this one by Dot and Key Skincare Pomegranate Miracle Vitamin Revitalizing Moisturizer SPF 30 can be used. Now because I need my skin to look really glossy and really dewy, so I'm going to go ahead and use Glow Booster for Radiant Skin. And this one is really nice. If you have the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter, this one is a dupe and this one is literally half the price, and I think it's an amazing product. So to mix this, I'm just going to use my fingers. It does have a little bit of a tint, and this will make my skin just glow and shine from within. ऐसे नहीं है कि I applied just to the high points. I applied wherever I think I need that glow. So it looks really nice, and the best way to sort of blend this is with your fingers and little on the forehead. Now I'm going to take my foundation from Maybelline. Now I mix two foundations because I think Indian skin tone ke liye you don't have one color. You just really need to mix two. And then I just mix it to, sort of give it the warmth of my finger. And then I just apply it to my skin like this in layers, in very thin layers. तो आधा तो foundation मैं अपने fingers से ही blend कर देती हूँ. And since आपने इतना अच्छे से skin care किया होता है, all of your product really absorbs well. If you can see. I just make sure that I pat it like this, and whatever little is left, I just take it on to my forehead and a little bit on my neck. अब लाइफ में पता ही नहीं चला from a brush girl when I turned into a sponge girl, and now I just use my beauty blender. So just take your beauty blender and very nicely and in thin layers just apply and blend your foundation really well. Always take it down to your neck because you don't want any discoloration, so never ever forget the neck. This looks so good and so dewy just because skincare अच्छे से किया, and I have so much foundation left in my hand, but I'm not going to apply it. जितनी ज़रूरत हो products की उतनी ही लगाओ. You don't want to literally thopo a lot of makeup on your skin and just make it look really cakey. अगर इतने से काम चल जाता है, so be it. So now I'm going to take my concealer from Hudabeauty. It's their 4 filter concealer and it's really nice. And I'm just going to apply it under my eyes if I have any spots on my face. Now blend, baby, blend it really well. This is one of the best concealers I've used. पता नहीं पहले क्यों नहीं यूज किया, बट हुडा ब्यूटी लिटरली हैज really good makeup products. I know थोड़ा सा expensive होता है, but if you invest in these products, तो ये बहुत देर तक चलते भी है. And I'm just going to take it over my eyelid as well, because जब आप eye shadow लगाते हो, so this is just sort of a base, or you can say a primer for your eye makeup. Now I'm going to take in my powder from Huda Beauty and just set my under eyes. I am not going to bake it now because I don't like baking. I think it feels a little heavy on my skin, but you can bake if you want to. And just set it under my eye area because यहाँ पर creasing बहुत हो सकती है, since everyone has fine lines. Not few, everyone has fine lines. Some have wrinkles, some have pigmentation. We smile, so we get all these smile lines. So there's nothing to worry about. Just set it well with the powder and you'll be good to go. Here on my nose, so I set itna zyada because I don't know, when I'm at a party I just sweat. I have no idea why. So I just make sure that this part to baba I set like really well. And with this we're done with our base, and see, it looks so minimal, it looks so clean, it looks so flawless. And now I am just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Like literally the face looks so nice. मैं इतने दिनों से सोई नहीं हूँ, like it's been so exhausting mentally for me, and I just feel nice sitting here making this video. It's just taking my mind off things, not really because I'm still talking about it, but yeah. So this is a really nice product by Swiss Beauty. It's their Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel eyeliner. तो इससे आप eyebrows भी कर सकते हो, आप gel eyeliner भी कर सकते हो, and you can use it as a kajal as well. So I am just going to use this on my brows, and I'm just going to make sure like I don't fill my brows too much, or I don't do too much gel, because you need to realize कि आपके eyebrows और आपके eyelashes के hair बहुत sensitive होता है, and you don't want to do too many like false lashes, and you don't want to do 3 4 5 products. जितने से काम हो सकता है कर लो, like just make sure that it looks nice and it looks put, and that's what I do. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do the easiest festive eyes, and I'm going to show you a combination that will work for every outfit you're wearing. A black penro, a white penro, you're wearing something that's extremely elaborate, you're wearing something that's very minimal. This eye combination, this eyeshadow glitter is going to go with every outfit. And no guesses, we're gonna do brown. So this is a palette by Swiss Beauty. It's the ultimate eyeshadow palette. ये बहुत अच्छा है. It has all the colors. It has browns and pinks and blacks, and so we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna take like this color and just apply it all over my eye area. You're just gonna make sure that you apply it all over your lid area, your crease area, har jagah. Just fill it up. And see, it's such a beautiful color, and this will go with red, yellow, purple, peach. It'll go with white. It's just like a very universal eyeshadow shade. Now I'm going to take a lighter shade and just fill in my lower lash line. Whenever you do your lower lash line, it just opens your eyes up, और आपकी आंखें बहुत ही बड़ी लगेंगी, and it looks really nice. So never miss your lower lash line. Now I'm just going to take a darker color and just sort of deepen this color. Thoda sa, you can just make this your lid area a little darker, so that it just adds in more color and just gives more depth to the eyes. Now, honestly, no festive look is complete without glitter. So I'm going to use this palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to take this shade of glitter. Now I'm like a sucker for glitter. Like I need glitter. So usually तो I apply glitters with my finger, but I'm going to show it to you because हर बार क्या होता है ना, मैं finger से करती हूँ तो वो cover हो जाता है. So I'm just going to use my brush and I'm going to apply this glitter here. And this is again like a goldenish brown glitter, so it will go with my outfit, and it's like a universal glitter color. Like आप इस आई शेडो के साथ कभी गलत हो ही नहीं सकते. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. And हमेशा याद रखना that whenever you apply glitter ना, एकदम से बहुत ज्यादा मत लगा देना. Always build your makeup up. Now that I've done my glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and do an eyeliner with an eyeshadow. I mean, पहले तो I would just do black, but now I have shifted to brown, and I think brown looks much more classier, it looks much more elegant, it looks much more chic, and it sort of just elevates the look even more. So I'm going to take this color and this color and angled brush, or shuru ho jao, like take an angled brush, create a wing, and just I need something with a mirror. Okay, messed it up a little. Not a bad at all. And I'm just gonna take it all the way inside, and that's it. Do you guys see? This looks so nice. So the eyes look really sexy, and I'm just gonna take the same shade and apply it to ouch to my lower lash line as well. And I think this looks like perfect. Now I'm just going to use a bronzer. Mascara I'll just put towards the end. Always, whenever you contour or whenever you use a bronzer, just remember to the high points of the face. अपने face को ऊपर खींचना है. And see, ये जो ये जो white लगता है when you apply foundation, like with the bronzer and the blush, like it just gives a natural and a very skin like color to your makeup and your face, and suddenly जो एकदम white लगता है, that just gets neutralized and minimalized, if that's a word. Now let's just go to the star product, something that we love, and that is blush. A blush ko bhi you're going to use like you want to elevate your face, like you want to put it up and repeat the same thing on the other side. Now recently also, okay, I have a podcast, okay, so I was talking to this makeup artist and he gave me a tip. He's like, never ever use your blush to a cheek because it'll drag your face down. Aise lagega ki there's no shape or definition to your face. So he said always take the blush also up, and I think that tip really helped me. So now we're going to take the blush and we're going to blend it upwards, see. And then I just like to take my fingers, and I think जो fingers से blend होता है ना वो मुश्किल है. अब लिप्स के साथ मैंने एक चीज रियलाइज की, आप जितना भी लिप लाइनर लगा लो, लिपस्टिक लगा दो, द मिनट यू गो आउट एंड यू ईट एंड यू ड्रिंक, इट्स ऑल गॉन. सो नाउ आई जस्ट डैब माय लिपस्टिक. सो दिस वन इज बाय Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade Very Victoria. Fun fact, this was named after Victoria Beckham and it's the perfect nude. So I'm just gonna apply this and just see. It's like the perfect nude shade. I know you guys are going to be like, festive video hair, like how can it be so nude? So I'm going to just take a red lipstick and just apply it on top, like just here. Guys, now it looks so much better. Mascara, the game changer mascara. Like look at this eye and look at this eye. This already looks big and open, and I think that is the magic of a mascara. Now again, you want to take in your setting spray and just hydrate your face again. So this is the final look. Like I promised, it's minimal, it's elegant, yet आपको लगता है कि आपने, you're getting ready for the festive season. If you do this makeup, I think this is safe, this is nice, this is classy. It'll go with the jewelry you're wearing, with the outfit you're wearing. Just take a nice clutch, a good pair of heels or sandals, and it will look really nice. I hope this helped. Enjoy your holidays, enjoy Diwali, enjoy Dhanteras, just eat a lot of sweets, don't burn firecrackers. I love you guys. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. I love you and see you all super soon.